Hello guys, what's good? In today's video I take you through the unboxing of some of the goodies I got from a YouTube event. I got an opportunity to be invited to one of the YouTube event for creators, and when we got there we got some goodies. So the bag looked like this and there was a few goodies inside. So in this video I'll be unboxing what's inside. So the event was in Sandton, and there was a bunch of creators, some of my favorite creators that I got to meet. Especially, I love Madam Speaker. And I also got a chance to meet Oyi from Oh Small Stuff. So that was pretty cool. Yeah, so let's get on to the unboxing. All right, we can start with the first thing. So the first thing is standard when you attend events is to get a notebook. So this is a pretty cool notebook. It has a YouTube logo as well as a pen. I love pens and I love writing down, so I'm very happy with that. So it's a cool A5 notepad. Looks good. That was one. Okay. Oh yes, and when we did get to the event, we got some linen. When we got to the venue, we got this nice lanyards with a YouTube logo as well as a name tag. That's my name tag. I'll put it for future events. I'll put it on my wall, my collage. Okay. So the second item that we got was it's called a Nest Mini. It looks like it's a speaker. It looks like it's a speaker. It does say that it's a speaker. It says Google Nest Mini Smart Speaker. So I'll open it up and see how it looks. Looks cute, doesn't it? The box looks very cute. The camera is not focusing, but the box looks quite cute. All right, and then the other thing we got is in this box. I don't know what's inside. The box is black. All right, there's a cool thing. Just need to figure out what it is. It looks like you clip it this side. It looks very cool. It looks like a ring light if I look at it. It looks like a ring light because there's a button at the bottom, and there's also a charging cable, so which means that this probably is a ring light. So I think you put it on the phone like this, and then you take pictures. I will take a pretty pictures. I think I'll charge it and I'll see how it works, but it does look like a ring light, and it has a YouTube logo as well. That looks pretty cool. So I did charge the light. It really is a ring light. So you actually put it on the phone. It's a mini ring light, and then you are able to take pictures with your phone. I'll take a few snaps and see what's the difference. Gives you some nice lighting. There's too much light on the current phone that I'm using, but I'll try it out and put some snaps just to see how it brightens up your pictures. Yeah. Then we got a water bottle. That looks cute, doesn't it? It's glass, and it has this cover. Glass bottle. I think this is a warm oil cover with a YouTube logo, and it's glass. I think you better be careful, but it's just a nice water bottle that you can put this warm thing on it. Yeah, looks pretty. I like water. I've been drinking 2.3 liters of water a day, so this will come in really handy. Right, now going back to the speaker, just open it up and see how it looks. The packaging looks really nice. I think if I have to put it like this. Whoa, it looks pretty, guys. It looks pretty. Looks pretty. Nice. It looks pretty. It looks like a donut, doesn't it? It looks like a donut. Yeah, and I think I'll figure out how it works. It's that donut thingamajiggle, and there is inside. It's too bright, I think. I think it's a manual to see probably what this unit does, and it has a charger as well, which has a funky thing here. So I'll charge them and I'll see. That's it. I'll charge them and I'll see how they work. So there's a manual here. Do people read manuals? I'm just gonna probably Google it or YouTube it and say, how does the speaker work? Somebody has already done that for me. So yeah, it does have a manual here. I haven't seen an English one, but I was hoping you find an English one so that you can read in English. But yeah, it looks like it's the OK Google speaker. So I'll try it out and see how it works. Okay, I tried to charge the speakerphone, but it's speaking in a language I don't understand. If you own one of these Nest Minis, please comment down below how it works and how I'm meant to set it up, because it's speaking in a language I don't understand. I'll try and figure out what it does and see how it works. But it sounds, the sound that's coming from there, it sounds pretty good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Bye. See you in my next video.
Continue.